Flipping if the baby's got the pot.
May.
Okay, so got the chain tightened. Let's see if this fixes some of the issues. I don't see how it would, but let's see. I'm gonna be amazed if it does. But the only way to know is actually just take it for a drive and see what she does. Because I know there's plenty of bumpy roads between here and where we're going. Oh, nope, it did not fix the problem. Problem is still there. Okay, so tightening the chain does not fix the problem, but the chain definitely needed to get tighter. Let's see. What's next on the list of things that it could possibly be? Check injectors. That's such a big thing, like a whole bunch of different sensors that it could be. I don't know. So far I'm just gonna ride with it. Why the fuck are you even over the line? You have no reason to be over the line. When I go over a bump, it freaks out. So fucking weird. Definitely does sound like it's fucking misfiring. Because it looks like there's a drop of rain in the air, people can't drive in Cape Town. You just know how that is. As soon as it becomes misty, people forget how to drive. It gets even worse when it fully rains. But yeah, I just got to keep going down the list, trying to figure out what it is, slowly by slowly. The bike is still rideable, so continue to ride. Maybe I'll throw another can of injector cleaner in. I know it's not going to do much, but I don't have the luxury of taking the injectors out for a deep cleaner at the moment. Currently it is my only mode of transportation, so we just got to keep nursing it, keep it going, keep her alive. And one way to avoid the stuttering is just keep it over 7,000 RPM. I'm gonna burn a shit ton of petrol, but she gonna drive, No matter what it takes, she gonna drive. I also saw something that they mentioned, remove all the slack in the cable, the throttle cable, but there isn't much slack. Like it's less than half a centimeter worth of slack. Could it be less? Sure, but I don't see why that little bit of slack should be making such a big difference. Like it's less than half a centimeter. But anyway, Thanks for tuning in, guys. Check in the next one. Peace.